Approximately 13.8 billion years ago, there was an absolute void, an absence so profound that not even a single star shone, no galaxy swirled, and neither space nor the dimension we call time had yet emerged. Then, in a moment beyond the bounds of human comprehension, the fabric of reality itself unfurled and everything, matter, energy, space, and time, burst forth into existence. From an infinitesimally small, unimaginably dense singularity, a cataclysmic event ignited, a cosmic dawn that we now recognize as the Big Bang. This was not an explosion occurring within space. Rather, it was space itself that expanded, stretching and inflating at speeds exceeding that of light, driving the genesis of all that would ever be. In the first fleeting moments, the fundamental forces, the strong and weak nuclear forces, electromagnetism and gravity, separated and took on their distinct natures, weaving the laws that govern our universe. Subatomic particles emerged from the seething plasma, coalescing into the first simple atoms. Photons, previously trapped in this primordial firestorm, were finally freed, flooding the newborn cosmos with a radiant glow, the afterglow of creation itself. The universe, once a blinding furnace of radiation and energy, gradually cooled, descending into an era of darkness and silence. For hundreds of millions of years, this vast cosmic expanse was cloaked in shadow, a boundless night devoid of stars, until gravity's relentless pull began to sculpt clouds of primordial hydrogen and helium gas into dense, collapsing pockets. Within these stellar nurseries, the very first stars were ignited, their fragile light piercing the eternal gloom. From this epoch of awakening, galaxies formed, immense islands of stars, gas, and dark matter, swirling gracefully through the cosmic sea. The universe had truly come alive. Stars, though brilliant, were ephemeral. They burned fiercely and died spectacularly in colossal supernovae, scattering the heavier elements, carbon, oxygen, iron, crafted in their fiery cores across the void. These elements seeded the interstellar medium with the essential building blocks of planets, life, and eventually consciousness. Within a quiet spiral arm of one such galaxy, a small, rocky planet took shape, Earth. Upon its varied surface, life took root, beginning with the simplest single-celled organisms. Over eons, this life grew more complex and diverse, culminating in creatures capable of self-awareness and curiosity. Humankind. We, the universe's way of knowing itself, lifted our eyes to the heavens and dared to pose the greatest questions of all. From whence did we come? What is our purpose amid this vast cosmic ocean? And to what destiny does this unfolding story lead? Today, the universe continues to expand, an accelerating mosaic of galaxies drifting ever farther apart, carried on the stretching fabric of space-time itself. Stars burn through their nuclear fuel, dying out one by one, heralding a distant future when darkness and cold will reclaim the cosmos. A vast, silent, and empty expanse, still, lifeless, and frozen in time. Yet, this narrative, our cosmic saga, is far from its conclusion. For as long as conscious beings remember, question, and explore, the universe persists, not merely as distant stars and galaxies, but within us. The cosmos lives on through our wonder, our knowledge, and our unending quest to understand. We are the universe reflecting upon itself.